Zen Browser versus Vivaldi. Which one should you use? Choosing the right browser can completely change how you experience the web without sacrificing performance. Let's explore both options briefly. Zen Browser and Vivaldi are two unique web browsers designed for different user needs. Zen Browser focuses on simplicity and speed, while Vivaldi offers extensive customization and advanced features. Understanding the core difference will help you choose the right one for your browsing habits. Zen Browser is designed for users who prioritize speed and minimalism. It offers a clean interface that allows for fast browsing without unnecessary distractions. The browser is lightweight, ensuring quick load times and efficient performance even on lower-end devices. One of its strengths is the focus on user privacy, with built-in ad blocking and tracking protection. However, its limitations include fewer customization options compared to competitors, which may not satisfy power users. Zen Browser is ideal for casual users who want a straightforward and efficient browsing experience without the complexity of additional features. Vivaldi is a browser tailored for users who seek extensive customization and control over their browsing environment. It offers a plethora of features, including tab stacking, customizable keyboard shortcuts, and a built-in note-taking tool. Vivaldi's strengths lie in its flexibility, allowing users to tailor their experience to fit their specific needs. Additionally, it prioritizes user privacy with robust security settings. However, the extensive feature set may overwhelm users who prefer a simpler browsing experience. Vivaldi is perfect for power users and those who enjoy personalizing their browser to enhance productivity and workflow. When comparing Zen Browser and Vivaldi, consider how you browse the web. If you value speed and simplicity, Zen Browser offers a distraction-free environment that loads pages quickly. It's perfect for users who want to get online and off without fuss. On the other hand, Vivaldi caters to those who enjoy customizing their browsing experience. With features like tab management and built-in tools, it's ideal for users who multitask and need a tailored setup. The trade-off lies in the learning curve. While Zen Browser is easy to use, Vivaldi may require time to master its many features. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prefer a streamlined experience or a fully customizable interface. For users seeking speed and simplicity, Zen Browser is the clear choice. It delivers a fast and efficient browsing experience. If customization and advanced features are what you need, Vivaldi is the way to go. It empowers users to create a personalized browsing experience. Choose the one that best fits your needs and enjoy a better web experience.